Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Know to Code. In today's tutorial, we'll be focusing on the Emacs task, and let's get right to it. I want to believe that at least you've gone through the file provided here by ALX, and also for those of you who haven't done the quiz, this is the quiz. You can just pause the video and browse through it, and just to make everything quick and fast for you. So that's the quiz. Now let's get right into the coding. So first we have to navigate to our root and create a directory named Emacs. So again, caps are on, cd the root, and we have to make sure okay we are in the root directory. Then let's clear all this. So yes, then we have to make our directory, create our directory, so we have to create our directory, Emacs directory. When that is done, we just cd into that directory we just created. Now the next thing is the opening. So we create a file opening. For this task, for the previous task, we used Vim. We used Emacs to solve Vim. In this task, we'll be using the V editor to solve the Emacs task. So we'll say V or Vim. I like to use Vim. Vim opening. So it says write the command to open a file from Emacs. The command to open insert. The command to open the file from Emacs is Ctrl X, Ctrl F. So you have to type your answers like this, or else you get an error from the checker. Again, Vim. The next one, the command for saving. Sorry about that. The command for saving. The command for saving on Emacs. Vim saving. The command for saving on Emacs, we Ctrl X, Ctrl S, and escape. Yes. Then we move to the next one, the command for cutting. Cutting just simply means copying. So what they are asking here is the command to copy from Emacs. So when you see cutting, they are talking about copying. So sometimes it might confuse you, but don't let it confuse you. And the command is Ctrl K. The C stands for control, so Ctrl K. And the next one is pasting. Pasting. The command for pasting is Ctrl Y. Ctrl Y. And we save that. Then the next one is searching. So it's asking us to write the command to search forward. Command to search forward. By the way, guys, if you want an in-depth tutorial for Emacs editor to decide if you would prefer Emacs over Vim, I would be happy to do that tutorial. Just comment in the comment section saying you want the in-depth tutorial, and I'll get right on it. And the command for searching forward is Ctrl S, and that is it. Then the other one, the command for undoing. Okay, two more. Command for undoing and command for quitting. Command for undoing. Command for undoing. That would be Control X U. Control X U is the command for undoing. Then command for quitting Emacs totally. For the quitting, there's two commands. There's the command to just quit Emacs temporarily, which is Control Z to quit Emacs, Control Z, but there's another command to quit it like permanently. This is temporary quitting and there's permanent quitting. So they're asking for permanent quitting, and that will be Control X, Control C. Now let's check the checker. By the way, I've already done this task before. I'm just redoing it again, so it would take time, or it would just, you will see green check, so I will recheck them again. Also guys, once again, don't forget to comment, like, share and subscribe. And if you are confused about anything, just let me know in the comment section. I will read the comment and get back to you. So the checker is checking. The checker is checking. So I think the checks are done, and so far we are all in the green. The checker is happy with us. Oh, I think, okay, we have a problem. See, we have a problem with the quitting. I see where the problem, oh, the naming of the file. So we will just mv and rename quitting and name it quitting, and we check again. And we have a green light. So that would be it for this video. Everything is intact, everything is working. So I would focus on the shell navigation video next. So stay tuned for the shell navigation video. And again, comment, like, subscribe, share. Thank you guys for watching. Continue to do hard things. I wish you guys the best on this journey, and I hope we all get to graduate. Thank you once again for watching. Have a wonderful day.